Well, hello once again, and thank you for joining me on the Waters Stanton video channel. Got one or two items what I want to tell you about. Some deals, prices and new equipment coming along. The first is the SM301 power supply. It's a 30 amp power supply. It's got a socket or terminals on the back for the main supply. Then on the front panel you've got dual meters. It's got variable voltage, and you've got some spring connectors which are rated at 3 amps for accessories. You've also got a cigar socket. It's nicely made, it's solidly built, and it is just £69. Yes, £69 for this 30 amp power supply. It will easily power any base station transceiver and have power in hand for accessories. So check that out on our website. Now, if you're into QRP operation, check out the TX500. It's a lovely transceiver. It's totally waterproof. It's very slim design, extremely rugged. It's built to military specification, and it really is the business. If you're a serious QRP transceiver, you can slip it into your backpack, and I guarantee that it'll take a lot of knocks. And I did a video on this, and I squirted some water on it while it was operating. It's totally waterproof. So that's the TX500. Check it out. Now, summer's coming, would you believe? And we've got a nice ZGu baseball cap. It's really smart, well made. You can order one on our website. Go onto our website, go on, look for ZGu baseball cap, and you'll see it. Mind you, you can get a free one. For example, the FT5DE, that's been reduced from £399 to £339. On top of that, you've got a £40 cashback from ZGu, and if you ask us very nicely, we'll also throw in a ZGu baseball cap. That's not a bad deal, is it? That's the ZGu FT5DE. Check it out. Lovely handheld, digital and analog. Now, I mentioned this next item about 10 days ago, but I will repeat it just to complete the set of offers and so forth. We're offering 15% discount on all the MFJ stock that we've got. We've done a deal. As you know, MFJ have ceased production now. So we're offering 15% on all the stock that we've obtained from them as a special deal. And all you need to do is to go onto our website. You'll see all the MFJ items there, and you'll get 15% off of anything that's in stock. So check that out now, because the MFJ items will start to become a bit of a rarity, and if you want something particular, you may then be faced with trying to find it secondhand. So if you think you need one of these MFJ items, now's the time to buy them. 15% discount, and you'll make sure that you get it. There we are. Now, at the other end of the scale, we've got a dual band handheld, the Quansheng UV-K58. It's been reduced from £24.95 to £19.95. Can you believe that? £19.95 will give you a dual band handheld, 2 meters and 70 cms. Check it out. It's on our website, of course. Now, one of my favourites, the Icon IC705. I've got one here. This is my own IC705. I've used it an awful lot. It's totally reliable, nicely made. It's quite chunky. Forward facing speaker, full colour display, touch screen. It's the business. Covers 160 meters through to 70 cms. It's got FM, AM, SSB, CW, and it's got D-Star on it as well. Now, here's the good news. We've slashed the price from £1,499 to £1,199. That's a £300 saving. So, the IC705 could be with you within 24 hours. And don't forget, we also do part exchange. All you have to do is give us a ring. I'm sure we could do a deal that you're happy with. All you could do is pick up the phone. Now, another deal we've got is the ZGu G90, which is an HF transceiver, covers 160 meters through to 10 meters, and has a maximum power output of 20 watts. So it can be used both portable and as a base station transceiver. I've used it both ways, and it's very, very nice transceiver. Got a built-in antenna tuner, which counts for a lot these days, and the antenna tuner has got quite a wide range. So if you're thinking of going out portable and want a bit more power than the sort of 5 or 10 watts, then the ZGu G90. Now, we have got a deal going at the moment. I'm not sure how long it's going to last for. You can get the desk stand and also the fan. There's a fan unit if you're going to run FT8 as a fan unit, and I think also a baseball cap. It's not currently on their website, but it was available, and as far as I know, they've still got a few of these in stock. So best thing to do is to give them a call, or give us a call rather. Give us a call and see if it's still available. That's all for £399. G90, £399. It's great value transceiver. As I say, can double as base or portable transceiver or mobile transceiver, and it's altogether a very nice unit. It's been going for a long time. It's stood the test of time. Still very popular. So that's the G90. Check that one out. Now here's some real breaking news. Halfway through this video, our marketing department contacted me and said, "Peter, we've just introduced some new bundles on our website." Well, I looked and I thought, gosh, the first one I saw was the Yaesu FT710. Not only do you now get cashback from Yaesu and a baseball cap from us, you also get a free power supply worth £69. I think it's a 30 amp power supply. So if you go into our website now and have a look, you'll see the deal there. Now, more than that, we're introducing bundles virtually every day now. Go onto our website and type in the search bar bundles. Then you'll see all the bundle deals that we're doing. It's absolutely fantastic. I was really amazed. So don't miss out on that. Go on our website, key in the word bundles in the search bar, and you'll see the latest bundle deals. There's some really big savings there. Now, one of the biggest events of the ham radio calendar will be next weekend, when it's the Dayton Hamvention, and one of the biggest shows. It used to be the biggest show in the world, but I'm not sure it is the biggest now. But anyway, it's a major event in America, and I've been there some 22, 23 times, but not going this year. But interesting though, I was watching a video on YouTube from a well-respected videographer talking about cameras actually, and saying how the price of Chinese imported cameras has rocketed. In fact, it's become prohibitive, and also lots of the accessories. Now, I guess the same is on ham radio. Ham radio items that come from China, I guess in America, they will really be expensive now. And in fact, he was saying that a lot of the importers have stopped importing because it's just not realistic to try and sell them in the US. And also, apparently, it's affected Canada because a lot of the goods from China that reach Canada actually land first of all in America, and so they're then subject to these punitive tariffs. So I guess that the American market has been hit quite heavily with these tariffs. Fortunately, we seem to be okay here at the moment. Anyway, that's the Dayton Hamvention next weekend, and I guess there'll be lots of videos posted there. And finally, the new Yaesu FTX1 series transceiver is on its way, and it should be with us this month, maybe in a week or so's time. So now is the time to pick up the phone or send us an email, and we'll put you on the list for one. Of course, we'll do part exchange as well, and you're probably aware now there are two versions. There's the FTX1F, which is the field version, which is 10 watts maximum, 5 watts with a battery and 10 watts with an external supply. And there's what they call the Optima version, which has got a 100-watt linear amplifier that plugs into, or seems to plug into the back of the radio. Now, the user manual is now downloadable. I've got it on my iPad here. You can see it there. The manual is downloadable, so you can go on to Just type in FTX-1 user manual and you'll download it from the Yaesu site. Couple of interesting things. It shows how the battery connects to the back of the radio. It also shows the rear of the Optima, and the Optima, which is a 100-watt linear amplifier, that's got a fan built in. It's got two HF sockets. It's got three antenna sockets, one for VHF and two for HF. So if you have the linear amplifier version, the Optima one, you get two HF antenna sockets, so presumably you can switch from one to t'other. So it's exciting stuff, and as I say, we should have those probably, well, we'll certainly have them this month. And if you want further details, prices and that, do check our website. This is going to be the #1 seller for 2025, I'm sure. The number of people that have contacted us about the FTX, when is it going to be available, etc., and asked questions about it. Well, most of the questions that you've asked will be answered in the user manual. So if you're pondering or thinking about it or whatever, why don't you download the user manual and have a read of that, because I'm sure that most of the questions you ask will be answered by looking in the user manual. Here we are. Okay, well, that's all that I've got to tell you this week on all the special offers we've got. We're forever updating our website with all sorts of offers, but they're the ones that you should know about this week. And do keep in touch regularly. Don't forget to press the subscribe button on this YouTube channel, because I'm sure if everybody that regularly watches this YouTube channel was to press the subscribe button, we'd have a tremendous amount of subscribers. So there we are, it's down to you now. Anyway, do appreciate your support on this channel, and appreciate your support at our shop in Milton Keynes. By the way, it's enormous now, the warehouse. We've got, I think, 2 or 3 warehouses, I think. And it's by far and away the largest stock of ham radio in the country. We've got a tremendous amount of stock there, and we are aiming now to really get stuff out to you very, very quickly. And normally we can get it out on a 24-hour delivery, and that's now pretty reliable. So take advantage of that. Even if you want some accessories, doesn't matter. Yeah, we'll still get them out to you as quickly as we can. In the meantime, as usual, you enjoy ham radio, you take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.